Hello and welcome to this video on how to reverse a string in Java. In this video, we will learn how to reverse a string using a built-in method, and on the last video we used a loop method. Launch NetBeans IDE and click on File, then New Project. Under Categories, select Java Application. Click on the Next button. Under Name and Location, type the name of your project, such as reverse string method. Click on the Next button. The project is created and opened in your NetBeans IDE. You should see the projects window, which contains a tree view of the components of the project, and the source editor window, where you can write your Java code. Here is an example of how this would look like in code. Declare and initialize a string. Create a string builder object from the original string. Call the reverse method on the string builder object. Convert the string builder object back to a string. Print the original and reversed strings. If we run this code, we will get the same output as before. Thank you for watching this video on how to reverse a string in Java. I hope you learned something new and useful today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video.